types of validation in the pharmaceutical industry. Let's explore the different types of validation processes required throughout the drug product development and manufacturing lifecycle. First, there's process validation to ensure that each production step results in a product of the highest quality. Next comes cleaning validation. It guarantees that cross-contamination is prevented and no residues are left behind after a production run. Equipment and instruments qualification and validation demonstrate that the equipment and instruments used during manufacturing were correctly installed, work properly, and will produce the expected results consistently. Computer system validation is also essential. It verifies that the IT and software systems used during production offer data integrity, security, and reliability. Analytical method validation ensures the reliability and accuracy of the methods used to test the identity, potency, purity, and stability of drug products. Validation plays a vital role in the pharmaceutical development and manufacturing lifecycle. All systems, equipment, processes, and procedures that have GXP impact require some type of validation. We often associate validation with endless testing, extensive documentation, and tedious processes.
However, digital tools like ValGenesis VLS have transformed validation from a burden into a competitive advantage.